In this screen, now we can see there is a login page and sign up page. So let's complete the sign up API integration. Already we completed the design. And next one is when I click on the sign up, I will call the API to sign up the user and retrieve the information if he successfully sign up or not. If he successful sign up, again I'm back to the login page. Okay, so this is in this video I will cover this one. So API call of the sign up with help of the MVVM pattern with repository and API services. Already the previous video we created the API separate services and we'll follow the MVVM with MVVM model with a repository also. Okay, so here we design the screen and this is a API. So in as per this API, the post request up to here endpoint. This is up to here base URL endpoint, and this is a body that is a raw data. So here just we have the already this base URL we configured into the API services. Just we need this endpoint now. So go to that where I need to write endpoint. So where I need to implement the right endpoint. So we have divided everything right. So where I need to define the endpoint,
Server
server
constant.
constant. So in the server constant, static constant string, okay, sign up endpoint, sign up URL or sign up. Okay, now copy this one, paste. This is a sign up URL. Then this is a base URL. Combine this, we'll call the API. So this is the server constant. We define this one and again go to the sign up screen. So this is sign up screen. Where is the action now? When I click on the login button, now now we are going back to the previous screen. But where you need to call the API? Here we need to call the API sign up button action. Okay, in this, let's create a one method called sign up action. Okay, this sign up action will call inside the button. Okay, sign up action. Again, I'm repeat again. We have the yeah, we have view, view model, repository, and service. Right? In the view, what is the purpose of the view is display the screen and taking the input from the user. Okay, and call the sign up API help with API with user inputs. Okay, user inputs. What is the user inputs here? As per the screen, as per this sign up screen, user input is name, email, and password. Okay, name, email, and password. This information is passing to the view model. Okay, to help of this in the view model. Okay, in view model, uh, create a repository URL, repository variable. Okay, repository, create a repository uh, variable, variable to help of the repository repo, call the API, call the API. Okay, based on VM request. Okay, call the API using call the API call using API service. Okay, this API service based on repo request, call the server, get the response, send back to repository. Okay, this is the our flow of the API integration in the sign up. Okay, in this VM in the view, what is the payload? What is the input? This is a payload, right? So can I create a can you can send directly using the var final payload equal to, directly we can send the request like this. Okay, directly we can send the request, but we have the model, right? So this is a request model. Create a request with this help of the model, and after getting the response, that response also will use through the model. Okay, so based on the JSON I will convert into the request model. Okay, so go to the Safari, click on the JSON to dot file. In the JSON to dot, this input payload I convert into the model class, that is sign up request model. Okay, sign up request model and enter. Syntax error. Why? Okay, got it. This is a sign up request model. In the request model, from JSON is there, to JSON is there, but we require the to JSON, right? So let's copy this whole file, whole code, and go here and go to the model, create a new file. What is the file name? Okay, sign up, sign up request, sign up request model dot. Copy, paste this code. That's it. Okay, this is a sign up request. After successfully sign up, after successfully sign up, let's say send a button. Okay, after successfully sign up, we'll get a response in the postman, right? So this is a postman request, already email already in use. Okay, we'll get it true also. For example, let's try with some other different email ID. What is the response we are getting? We'll see that response also, it's contain the, let's see, message and error only. This also will convert into the model class with the model class. I'm going to convert this model class sign up response model. Okay, sign up response model, generate and copy and go to the model class, create another folder called sign up response model dot. Okay, and paste it. So we have the input request, we have the input request, we have the response request. We have the request model, we have the in response model also. In the sign up screen, help of this, see, so we'll create a input request final. Okay, or else sign up request model equal to request model equal to sign up request model. Here we pass the data. What are the pass the data? Name we need to send and email. Okay, and 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 the password. Okay, so where it's get the data from here? Already we have the controllers, three controllers. From this controller, I will take the input from the text field. Okay, email text field dot text and sorry, here name text field dot text, here email text field dot text, here password text field dot text. Like this, passing this information, we are getting we have the sign up request model. Okay, so view part just prepare the inputs, but we need to call the method. Okay, what is the method? That method is implemented in the view model. Okay, let's say there is no file, right? Let's create a view model. Okay, sign up view model dot. Okay, so class sign up view model extends change notifier. Here, what is the class is future, and here response, right? We need to send back the response. What is the response object class is sign up response model, right? This is a response we send back to the view. Okay, so sign up the user The parameter, what is the parameter we're going to pass? Sign up request model. Okay, sign up request model. Okay, model. This is a method. We created a method. Return type is sign up response model, and input we are passing, there's a parameter sign up request model. This request model we call in the sign up screen. Okay, how can you call? Final. But once the view model is created, this view model I need to I need to configure in the provider. Okay, comma, change notify provider. Okay, the create. Okay, what is the model name? Sign up view model. Like this we created. I will tell you later how to pass the repository for now. Okay, now we have the we have set up the provider there. This provider will call here. Okay, how to call the provider? Final sign up VM equal to provider of provider of. Okay, what is the provider name? Sign up view model and comma lesson false. Okay, help of the sign up VM object, call the sign up the user method. Okay, so here we call the request model. This is way of calling the API to the provider. After getting the response, we get the response, right? Final. What is the response is? Response. We got a response from the API. Await, await, and this asynchronous call. Okay, here, so based on the response, we'll decide is a success or failure. Success or failure. So till now, the view is informed to the view model. View model, I need I need to pass this request. Based on the request, give me the output. That's it. That is the viewport. The viewport is preparing the input. That input are passing through the provider view model. Okay, through this method. Now what is the next work is view model work. Now we have the some work with the view model. View model need to call the repository. The repository call to the API services. Now we need to define our repository here now. Okay, inside we need to call the API through the repository, but we need to create a repository here. Till now we didn't create any repository here. Okay. Here we need to create a repository now. Okay. So in the repository, what we need to call sign up API only. Okay. This repository handle the only sign up repository. Okay. Sign up API call. Okay. Sign up repository dot. Okay. Create a abstract class. Abstract sign up sign up repository. Okay. I need to call the abstract class sign up repository. Okay. In that, to create a method void. Okay. Okay, void sign up API call. Sign up method. In that method, call the pass the parameter. So I will pass the parameter as a dynamic. Okay, data or the input or else payload or what sort payload. Let's get the payload. This is abstract class. This abstract class I need to implement here. Okay, so clear sign up repository impl dot implementation. Okay, like class sign up sign up repository implementation, extend abstract class. Okay, what is the abstract class is sign up repository, sign up repository. Okay, so we are getting the error because of we need to implement the one method, but just to only define the method in the abstract class. In the implementation we have to do here. Okay, we call the sign up. Hope is clear everyone. Now in the view model create a variable for the repository. Okay, sign up repository. Okay, and repository. So this should be given the constructor sign up view model. Okay, this dot repository. So it should be required. Okay, should be past the required. Once you change this required, you will get a issue in the main dot because we need to pass the as a constructor, right? So what is the repository is? Repository is sign up repository implementation. That's it. Okay, now so we implement we pass the sign up repository implementation to sign up view model using this repository. Okay, write a try catch using this repository final response equal to await write a async method here repository dot sign up and pass the payload is model dot to JSON. That's it. This is way of simply we are calling the method, and here after getting the response, this response is converted into the sign up response model. Okay, so data equal to sign up response model dot from JSON, call the response dot data response. We are getting the response, right? But this response is coming like wait, this is a future dynamic. Okay, sorry, dynamic. Need to call the dynamic. Return type also dynamic here. We have to maintain the dynamic here also. So you should we need a return type, right? We have return also. Okay, just okay, something like there's a result type. Otherwise, sign up response data. Okay, model. So this model I'm going to pass the back. Okay, sign up response model. Clear? Huh? Anyone is clear? Anything else? In this also we need to pass the some static information like if it's a catch also some issue is that. Okay, like what is the issue? Just pass the error is there. Yes, true. Okay, message is there. Something went wrong. We can write a something went wrong. If it's get okay, this is simply we call the API. Okay, if it's get success also we'll call the only 200 success we return the response, or else you can directly go back to the catch block is written something like error block. Okay, so this is a flow. Okay, in this in the repository implementation we have to do something like that. First we got a API. Okay, this method once this method called we need to call API for that. Okay, create a API service object here. API service equal to API services like this. Okay, this API services return API service dot post call. Okay, in the post call we need to pass the path and data as I will pass the payload now. So in the what is here I need to pass server constant dot sign up. That's it. Okay, here we're getting the issue because of it should be private variable final. Okay, okay, now the sign up repository implementation we implemented the sign up method. In the sign up method we get the we got a property parameter. Using this parameter, we call the post API call, the sign up API and the payload. This API call to the API services. API service handling the post request here and responds back to the implementation. This implementation will inform to the sign up view model. This view model based on the response is decide is condition. Okay, if response dot status. Okay, let's ignore now. Okay, so for example, response. Okay, try means it definitely will get the success or failure or success only. Okay, if it's a failure, it's then okay, it's going to the catch block. Here we'll send our static message. Okay, here we have the response data. This convert into the response model using the response data. But if it's a class block, that means some error is there. That is something went wrong. This is informed to the view screen. Now here we'll write a condition. If response dot error, if is error is there, and show the alert box. So the alert. Okay. Or else here only we are doing alert, right? Directly if an error or whatever we can show the message. Okay. Or else we'll do one thing. If his error is not there, we'll show the alert. Okay. Successfully sign up. Please log in the message. When I click on the OK, it's going back to the previous screen. This is a flow. Yeah. So I want to run the application with debugging. Okay. Um, so to understand the flow of the our application. Okay. So go to the debugger. Now we can see I put the debug point in the API services, the repository, implementation. Okay. In the implementation, I put the breakpoint here. Okay. Sign up. This is a car. Let's delete a car. Okay. We are checking only sign up. Sign up and sign up view model. We put a breakpoint here. And the sign up screen also we put a breakpoint. And in the sign up screen also we are checking the after response. This is a breakpoint. So now let's run the project, run and debug. Now my application run on the iPhone 15 Pro. That meaning the simulator. In the simulator, first okay, it's open the first login screen. Then we'll come to the sign up screen. In the sign up screen, we fill all the information as per the request. When I click on the sign up button, they call the one method. That method is this method, sign up action method. Here as per the request, we have the request this one. As per the request, we convert into the model class. That is a model class is sign up request. And after getting the response, that also will convert into sign up response model. Okay. Now come here. Now go to the sign up. See guys, we get this in we get this kind of issue because of it's a not scrollable. Okay. So now I will render this column with a single child scroll view. Single child scroll view and render again. See when I click on this, so automatically it's scrolling. Even keyboard if you hover up also automatically it will scroll. Clear? So if you click on the password also it will scroll up to password only. Okay. Previously the screen is overlapped on the text fields. After adding the single scroll view, now this is a name. Name is repository is name, or else we can create a name of the Mahidar. Mahidar is a name, and mahidar at gmail.com. The password is 123 123 456 password. When I click on the sign up, now see this action called. Where is this method called? When this sign up action, this method we called, and one by one come back here. Now we can see in the left side now request model. Request model is contain email, name and password, and this is called the API call, right? See now I'm entering to the different file. You can observe here sign up view model. The previous sign up screen, from sign up screen it's navigate to sign up view model. If you mouse over on this, you will get all the code, email, name, and password. We are passing through this method. Now, if you click on the mouse over, you can see what is the repository name? Sign up repository implementation, right? Clear? Already we are passing as a sign up repository implementation. So this implementation, the sign up repository implementation, this is the sign up repository implementation. In the sign up repository implementation, when I run this line, when I execute this line, it's a call the this repository. Now we can see sign up repository implementation is called. Now we can see the payload. Payload has a name, email, and password, and this will call to the API services. Now call right. Now you can see. Now this is the API service file. Okay, in this API service file, this is the endpoint, and we have the base URL already. We have this data. This is the data. Using this data, it's connect to server. Okay, after connecting the server, it retrieves some information to back. Okay, see, we got a response. Where you get a response? In the sign up screen already. Okay, we want to repository to services. Then services return the response to repository send back to the view model. We got a response, right? What is the error? Is false. That meaning is student registered successfully. Okay, so now is student. Let instead of that, I can send a user registered successfully. Once the get a user registered successfully, we'll navigate to the login page to ask them to log into the application. This is the flow of the our application. Okay, of the sign up module. Show alert message. Show alert. I created another method. Later I can move to the separate widget later. Now what is the message is coming from the API, that message will pass to the message. Okay, uh, and we pass the error also. Okay, why? Because of 1 second, the message we are passing to this method show alert. Okay, show response, show alert message. So alert message, we pass the response dot message equal to response dot message. Okay, we'll pass the message. This message will display on the, if it display on the screen. Okay, so alert, show dialog. So this is a dialog. In the dialog, we are going to display something like this. Return alert dialog. Okay, in the alert dialog has title. Okay, this is a title, is a success or failure. Okay, if is a content. Okay, there is a content is there. The content I'm passing as a directive message. There is action is there. There is a two action I'm going to create. Okay, the text button. Okay, text button. I will create a text button. So there is a create like a OK or cancel. OK action, that is okay. If is a OK. This is a alert box. I'm making the alert box here. So what is the data? Is success or failure? For example, just put like alert. Okay, the constant. In this on press on the action, I need to dismiss the pop-up. For the dismiss pop-up, we'll use navigation service dot back. This is also navigation one kind of, because of on the top it's a display the alert, right? That's why once I click on the OK, it should dismiss. The alert dialog also should dismiss. Okay, so that's why I written like this. Here I will show the alert message. Here also show the alert message. Okay, directly we'll send the alert message, and error also we'll send the error also. Okay, what is the error coming, or else we can uh, directly we can call the alert message. Okay, so even already exist, or already this email already that kind of message is displayed from the API. Okay, if his user already exists, so again we need to fill all the information again. If his already user is success, so user register success, we navigate to the sign up sign in screen. Okay, So based on the error, okay, I'm going to pass the boolean error also. Okay, error initially false. False means no nothing. It's a display the directly. If his error is false means no error. In this case also we'll go back to the previous screen. Okay. For now we didn't write. మీరు confuse అవుతారు. I didn't write anything. For now just to display the alert message. Okay. Or else we'll write like this. Or else we can show the snack bar also. Whatever it is. Okay. So okay, whatever it is, let's reload again. What is the response is coming from the API that display on the alert dialog. That's first we'll complete this one, then we'll see the logic later. Okay. So restart the application and sign up. I'm going to enter some details. Okay, Mahesh at gmail.com and password 123456. Let's call the API, sign up. So let me stop the debugging and hide the debugging. Now see, it's okay. Here we need to show the loader also. Already we implemented loader right last time. We implement already that loader. See, student registered successfully. This message are displaying on the screen. Now we can see this. This response is coming from the API one after success the response. Okay, okay. Let's try with the same information. We'll see. Email already in use. Got it right? Same thing we are implemented previously with the help of directly using the view and view model. Set state also we implemented. Now view model repository API search we implemented same thing in this video. Okay, so now I'm going to show some loader here. Okay, here we call the API, right? Let's show the loader here. Okay, what is the widget loader? We can call there also here also, no problem. Okay, we can call from the here from the view model also, but better to call here only. Okay, message sign up processing. Okay, after a response coming from the API, okay, loader widget dot hide. Okay, so let's clear again. Let's run again. Okay, clear? Something went wrong. We are getting the something went wrong. I don't know what is the wrong is. For now, see, this is the alert message. We send this message. We are getting. I don't know what is the problem. Maybe API problem. I don't know. Let's try with another email ID. Okay. Now see, it's a loading, right? So student registered successfully. So until loading, if you click on the until loading, we didn't click on anything. Okay, it's still loading. While loading, we are disable the user actions here. Okay, so we add a loader along with the pop-up and repository services, everything we covered in that video.